Hello and welcome to Ed3hub's channel. For this particular video, we are going to take a walkthrough of Ed3hub's platform, and we're going to walk through it from the point of view of a course content creator. So for those of us that don't know what Ed3hub is all about just yet, don't worry, I'm going to let you know all about it when we get into the video. So now let's start the video in proper. So we're going to go through the landing page first. We're going to see what it's all about and why you should actually sign up or use Ed3hub. So from here, from the first page, we can see that the hero section is screaming about master any skill and design your future. So from this aspect, we can see that Ed3hub is all about a course or a skill learning platform where users can come and then learn skills. And remember, I said we are going to be going through this video from a course content creator point of view. From the course content point of view, this platform can be a gold mine where you can actually upload your course and learners will come on board and learn and buy your course and learn from your course. So now let's go deeper. You can learners will be able to interact with the course content creators, that is the meet our tutors and explore courses. There are a lot of created learning paths that are in the platform, but that's by the by. Let us now go into the sign up and sign in aspects of the whole platform. Okay, so before I actually sign up, I am going to now break it down. I'm going to break what Ed3hub is all about. I'm going to break it down. So basically, Ed3hub is a blockchain backed community centric platform. Okay, now let me make that as simple as possible. Ed3hub is a community centric platform that uses the technologies of blockchain. So now I know that a lot of people do not actually want or need to know all about blockchain, so I'm going to phase that out a little bit and just let you know what Ed3hub is all about. Now, take for instance, I am a course content creator. I'm looking for a particular platform where learners are actually on and they want to learn one or two things. So definitely I would want to upload my course there, and when the platform is also allowing the learners to actually reach out to me as a course content creator, that you can get all of this on Ed3hub. So Ed3hub allows learners to be able to contact their course content creator or the person that's essentially their tutor. Ed3hub allows each learner to be able to contact their tutor, and if they're going through some kind of blockage or hardship in the learning phase of the skill, learners can actually contact their tutors and let them put them through. So that is an aspect of Ed3hub. And there is also another aspect of Ed3hub that I would also like to let you know about. It's the learn-to-earn model that Ed3hub has. For every particular course that is being done on Ed3hub, the learner and the course content creator are earning. So now for the learners, for each course they finish, they're going to be earning 10 tokens, that is the cryptocurrency. Now this is where I'm going to bring in the blockchain aspect back. And I said Ed3hub is backed by blockchain in the sense that Ed3hub has its own cryptocurrency. So the token that I was talking about for both learners and course content creator, they can be converted into normal currency and then used for whatever they want, or they can be used to purchase a course on the platform, or they can even be used for governance activities on the platform. That is coming on later on the platform. So there are a lot of utilities that can be used with the token. So I digress. Now let's sign up as a course content creator on the platform. So you're going to sign up. Ed3hub. Alright. Okay, so now let's go to the sign up page. So now, we were talking about Ed3hub based on the course content creator point of view. So that is the same thing we are going to do here. We are going to sign up as an educator, which is also the same thing as course content creator. So you follow the usual step. You fill in your username, you fill in the email you want to sign up with, you fill in the password you want to use, you confirm the password, and then you indicate that you are an educator. Now this is very, very important. There are two profiles that are going to be on Ed3hub: a learner or an educator. If you want to learn skill on the platform, then you sign up as a learner. But if you want to actually upload your courses, then you sign up as an educator. Then you agree to the terms and conditions and sign up. You can also use sign up with Google if you don't want to go through the stress of all of those things. Sign up with Google, go through the normal usual steps. So I already have an account on Ed3hub, so I'm just going to sign in, and I'm not going to sign in with my username and all of those things because that's stressful. So I'm going to just sign in with Google and let it load. One moment. Un momento, please. Un momento, por favor. Alright, so there you have it. Whenever you sign in or you log in into Ed3hub as a course content creator, this is the first thing that you are going to land on. This is the first page you are going to land on. It's your dashboard essentially, as it's your dashboard. So the first thing is going to show you is your courses, the courses that you've either uploaded, you've published, or you've just left in draft. Any of those three. So you can see any of those here on your dashboard. So now let's go through the profile. Let's say I want to change my profile. I want to edit it. So I can come here, here's my picture here. I can change this, but I'm not going to change it, but let's see. I can change this. Let's pick a picture. I'm coming. Let's see which one should we go for. Better still, let me just go another route. Let's pick this one. So you can either zoom or you can just leave it as it is and use the picture like that. So there are a lot of things you can change here also. You go through it and include it. So I am not going to save the what's it called, the picture, the changes I've done. So let's just go back to the account. Now let's go back to the dashboard. No, okay, that's gone to the account. So the account has your earnings and engagement. It has the feature to be able to reset your password, and you can also change the language you are interacting with on the platform. So now let's go to the earning and engagement. So this, okay, from here you can see that we have a total number of students here. That is 6 students as enrolled into the course I uploaded, and well, since the course is free, I have 0 naira in my account. So we can also, okay, let me go back here and explain this. So the trade-off or the percentage that the platform is going to get from you is 40%, and the one you are going to be earning is 60%. That is shown clearly here, so you can see that beforehand. So this shows, okay, and once you start generating revenue once you start generating sales, you'll be able to withdraw your money from here. So that's that. And reset password, I think that's good. You will be able to change your password. So now let's go to the main meal of the video. So let's say you have a course you want to upload, you have everything in your on your laptop. So you come here, upload courses, you write the course title, the title of the course you want to upload. Let's give it let's say the course is Introduction to Machine Learning. And then what you learn, the key outcomes, just like it listed there, the key outcomes that you're going to learn. You be able to understand the difference between data science and machine learning. So just to not make this video longer than it is, I'm going to stop there. So this is ideal for, you can skip that and just include that here, beginner, and then the tool you used for the course. So you go to the next, you give a full description of the course, of what the course entails, and then what's included, the number of videos, either quizzes, certificates, resources that you have, you put that here. And then you come here to include the videos that you want to use. So Ed3hub is built around this short version of lessons, and there are modules, different modules. So let's say for a whole course might have up to like 6 or 7 different modules, or even 4 modules, whatever the number of modules you want to have, you can include that. So you have to title each module. So for the first module, let's say machine learning, then you include the lessons, the lesson title. You have to include that. If it's the lesson you want to import, it might be video, it might be text, it might be documents, any of those things. So you also have to include the minutes or the duration of the lesson. Let's say we have a video, so I'm going to upload video file, and I'm not going to upload anything now because this is not, we're not actually publishing any course, so we're just going to leave it like that. So once I've done that, I can come here. I want to include quiz also, add quiz, whatever the quiz question I want to have, I'm going to include the question. And then if I want it to be multiple choice, I'm going to leave it like this and just input the answers or the choices. Or if it's true or false or fill in the blank, I can do that also. So now if we want to include quiz and assessment, you can just add the assessments here, and voila, there you go. So save your module. The resources, if you remember, I was talking about resources. Here you can now upload the resources, either PDF or videos, any of those two. And then it's also very, very important that okay, I have to do something here. Okay, so let me just do that. So it's also very important that you actually upload the thumbnail, because it is, put yourself in a learner's shoes. If you're going through the platform and you see courses that have thumbnail and you see one that doesn't have, which would you go for? So it's better you upload the thumbnail. And once you're done with that, now we can go to the pricing station. So if you want your course to be free, like the one on my profile, you can just click on this free course. Or if you want it to be priced, you can include whatever price you want to include. Let's say 15,000 naira, and then you put the estimated hours, the number of hours per week, and then the duration that you think the learner might be able to use to finish the course. So now you can either publish it immediately. Or you just save the course without publishing it. Now if you click on publish immediately and then click on save course, it is going to publish immediately. But if you don't click on publish immediately, it's just going to save the course. So now I'm going to just save course, and okay. So there are some things I have to actually have to fill before that I didn't fill. So make sure you fill every field that you need to fill. So there you go. Once you do that, you can click on save course and it will be saved. But if you want to publish it immediately, you can check mark the publish course and then save course, then it will be published, and there you go. You would have been able to publish your course on Ed3hub. Thank you.